Welcome to your journey of inner balance. Today, we will guide you through affirmations to align and balance your chakras, the energy centers that connect body, mind, and spirit. The root chakra, located at the base of the spine, is our foundation. It is the grounding force that connects us to the earth and the physical world. It connects us to the earth and is associated with survival, security, and stability. When balanced, it provides a sense of safety and grounding, allowing us to face life's challenges with confidence. I am a divine being of light, connected deeply to the earth's energy. And I am peaceful, protected, and secure. Embracing the energy of the root chakra helps me feel stable and grounded in my daily life, fostering a sense of inner peace and security. The Sacral Chakra, located in the lower abdomen, radiates a deep orange glow. It governs creativity, joy, reproduction, and our deepest emotions. I am radiant, beautiful, and strong, and I enjoy a healthy and passionate life. The solar plexus chakra, located above the navel, glows with bright yellow. It is the center of our personal power, growth, and spiritual evolution. I'm positively empowered and successful in all my ventures. The heart chakra, located at the center of the chest, is a powerful energy center that governs our ability to love and connect with others. It vibrates with a vibrant green light, symbolizing growth, harmony, and renewal. This chakra is the source of unconditional love, compassion, and emotional well-being. It helps us to forgive, to empathize, and to nurture deep connections. Love is the answer to everything in life, guiding us through challenges and bringing joy and peace. I give and receive love effortlessly and unconditionally, allowing my heart to remain open and free. The throat chakra, located in the throat area, radiates a pale blue light and governs our ability to communicate, express, and share our truth. My thoughts are positive, and I always express myself truthfully and clearly. The third eye chakra, located between the eyebrows, glows in a deep, mesmerizing blue light. This chakra is also known as Ajna. It opens our inner vision, enhances our intuition, and connects us to higher wisdom and spiritual insight. Through this chakra, we gain clarity and a deeper understanding of the universe. I'm tuned into divine, universal wisdom and always understand the true meaning of life situations. This connection allows me to navigate through life with a sense of purpose and inner peace. The crown chakra, located at the top of the head, vibrates with the color violet. It connects us to the divine, promoting enlightenment and universal consciousness. I am complete and one with the divine energy. Feel the balance within as each chakra aligns from root to crown. These affirmations are your tools to bring harmony to body, mind, and spirit. Practice daily and unlock your full potential.